Hi friends. So I'm here in front of you to answer a question, and the question is, what is the difference between the life of a twin flames and the life of a normal person? Well, let me try and answer this. Life of a twin flame right from the childhood is different. Okay? Right from birth. See, the birth of the twin flame, I must not say this, but yes, it is a fact. Not many people like that person is born. Yes, it is a fact. It is truth. Not many people will like that child has come into our house. I'm not saying because male or a female, but somehow people are not liking it. The entry of that soul in the house. Then, right in the childhood itself, that soul, meaning that child, has to come across many karmics right from birth itself. It may be in the form of their siblings, or in some cases, their parents themselves will be karmic. Whereas a normal child, it is not. Karmics do not enter in the life right in the childhood. There is a stage, once you cross that stage, maybe your teenage, once you cross that, you encounter karmics in a normal life. Okay, in the life of twin flame, right from birth, they are not liking to be with people around them, meaning not more into socializing. Twin flames are not more into socializing. Okay, they don't have more friends, whereas normal people, they have lot many friends. um, Twin flames, when they reach to the adolescent stage, they will be liking their own company, meaning they will like to stay alone in the house. Okay, they will like that more. They will prefer staying alone. Okay, whereas a normal child, when they reach in an adolescent stage, they like to be with friends more. Whereas here, they will like to be alone. Twin flames are not religious, they are not into celebrating those festivals. Like, for example, every religion has different festivals. I would not like to mention it here because then it will be a religious talk rather than a spiritual talk. So they are not more into religion. Yes, of course, they will attend all the festivals, they will bow down to, you know, but that feeling from inside is not there compared to the other normal children. Okay, they will do it just because their parents are asking them to do it. That connection to those temples or churches or mosques, for that matter, or in India we have gurudwara, that connect will not be there. Okay, means innermost connect will be there, but with the divine. But those outer things that we have usually, offering flowers and prayers, those shlokas, those mantras, they will not feel much connect to that. Okay, then right in the beginning itself, they are very quiet. Okay, they are very quiet, they don't like to talk much, but then they are very truthful. Once they are very loyal enough. Okay, they will have few friends, but then that loyalty, that authenticity will exist. They are truthful when it comes to anything and everything in the world. Then they are empaths. They are born empaths. This is a quality that they have. They are very, very empathetic, means very emotional. Something, if someone is in pain, even that someone may be even their dushman. I mean, not that, maybe their enemy as well. Okay, so they will feel empathy, they will cry literally hearing to their story or looking at them in pain. They will cry. Then their voice or their touch is very healing. They are natural healers. They don't have to attend some courses, they don't have to have degrees attached with their name. As healer, they are born healers. Their voice is very healing. When people listen to their voice, no, they feel connected to the divine. They feel inner peace. That is a twin flame. Further, if they touch some people, suppose if a twin flame touches a child, or even for that matter touches anybody, okay, their touch is very 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 healing. Okay, they give a very healing touch. They are not loved. Okay, yes, there is that innermost want that yes, my parents should have loved me very much when they grow up, or even as children they feel that yes, my sibling is loved so much. What have I done? Why is that my parents are not loving me so much? They are even kept in a hostel or boarding schools, and that is the stage when they go towards this meditation, when they go towards oneness, when they go towards the divine. That is what is triggering them. So yes, of course, the life as twin flame right from the childhood is different, and it's not very easy. Not very easy. And that's the reason why, in fact, they try to help out to others, because as it is already always said that something that they can't help themselves, they can't love, they are not loved. So they try to give something that they don't have. They want that. Okay, like for example, when they know that they are twin flame, they are into that self-love stage, they're triggered to self-love. Okay, so I think I'm done with most of the point. Even one more thing I want to mention is that they are more creative right from the childhood. They will just go into some creative activities, like they will love to sing, and their voice, they need not train themselves in singing, but they love singing and people want to listen to their songs. It may not be on those bits and those, I mean not be with the sur and lay and the tala. These three terms are connected with the music, but still people would love to hear them singing, or they want to go into dancing, or something creative, something creative which normal child would not go in doing it. Well, that's all that is coming to my mind right now. If anybody else would like to add some more points to it, you are free to comment in the comment section. Okay, as I always say in most of my videos, we all are here to learn. We are going through a process of learning. Please do correct me if you feel that I'm wrong in some points. I don't claim that yes, whatever I say is the truth. I don't say that. I say this through my own experiences and through whatever people have shared their journeys with me. Okay, and whatever I have read in the books, or whatever I have come across the information. So let me stop here. Goodbye for now.